another Natalie and Alfred sitting in a tree, and you'll notice that Natalie's got the same clothes on as the other video because we did it in the same day. Anyway, so I just wanted to talk like this used to just be a thing where we chat, you know. So I didn't make this time. I didn't make a theme up. I just wanted to know what you were doing. I want you to tell the people.
Alfred always does this. Alfred says, "Come, let's do a video," and then I hear like on the video what it is that he wants to chat about. He never prepares me for these.
But that's good because then it makes it more organic. Let me pull the camera in here. It makes it a little bit more, you know, gives it more of an organic feel, if you know what I mean. So what are you doing, Natalie? What are you busy with?
Lots of things.
Such as, ek sien jy vat foto's af by jou. Wat gaan daar aan maak jy 'n bietjie van 'n geldjie by jy vir my weg?
I have to make money.
That's
I need to pay
fantastic.
the bond.
Yeah, it's fantastic. I mean, I can't wait to be a stay-at-home husband.
Wow.
I've got no problem with that.
Really?
My ego has no problem doing focal at home. None at all.
But most of
I'll call
the
you and
times
say-
you do focal.
I'm working up here, developing myself and jokes. Okay.
Alfred can be sitting on that couch on his phone for 2 hours, and then I'm like, but now Alfred, you're
I
on
send
your phone
emails
all
from
the
my
time.
phone.
Exactly. You're sitting on the couch and you're on your phone doing this. No, but I'm working.
I am working.
But then when you are working, and
You're
I
one of
find you
those
out,
people.
and then I don't believe you.
You are one of those people that are old school. You work must look like you are. Jy moet werk. You must sit iewers by 'n desk. No, the world has changed, my dear. That's why I always get myself a very good phone because I literally run my life off my phone. Ek buy deals. How many times did you go? When did that happen? Ek papa het 'n deal gemaak daar by couch. Papa het die bond word betaal. Papa het die deal gemaak. Papa het die deal gemaak. These things don't come from doing nothing. Respect your husband. Anyway, what else? What are you doing?
I'm busy.
Like what?
Doing stuff.
Did you sell a wedding dress yet?
No.
You must dress. You mustn't put them on as bad luck. I was gonna say put them on, and they was like, no, that's bad luck. And also once a dress that you.
No, I don't want
someone
to. I certainly don't want to put the wedding dresses on.
Yes, so that you very much, Natalie is very much busy there with a lot of lace. That's not lace heel dag and mannequins. But anyway, so what am I doing? So I'm busy working on a cool new thing that I'm surprising Natalie and them with.
What does that mean?
I'm
How
going.
can you just tell people and you don't tell me? And
You want it to be a
and
surprise or must I tell you?
does it involve me?
Yeah. It's not
Okay.
major.
Okay.
I'm just going to. I want to take you guys on a little breakaway.
Oh, thank you.
And I want to build content and like I just want to take people through the experience of what it is to be a father that has to take families on a little trip because we didn't have like I think the whole country wouldn't feel like we went on a holiday, and I really would like to either see the beach or somewhere, you know, remote, even if it doesn't be the beach, like up into the country and just go away. And so I'm working on a, I don't know, busy there in the background, working on like something that's very similar to like a travel vlog, which I'm interested in. So I'm gonna take you guys. I mean, it's done already. I'm just waiting for the dates to be confirmed, and then we're gonna
That is
go.
so cool.
Then we're gonna go on a little trip, you, me, and Eva.
Can I just sit and put my phone off?
That's what the idea is, and also I'll still have a camera, but I'll tell you, and then maybe you can. I'll have to tell you because I think you have to be dressed appropriately for some of the things that we're gonna do.
Oh, okay.
So, but it's not like.
And Ethan?
Of course, taking.
Oh.
So I'm busy with that. I'm busy, developing content and just, bettering myself. I've been going to the gym every day. Not every day, but a lot. I lost a little bit of weight. It's not a lot, but it's a start. I've cut down sugar, and that's great.
I feel like we balance each other there as well because you've lost a bit and I've just picked all of them up.
I like it when more of you is better. And so I've also come back from the doctor, and my health is I'm in good shape. Health-wise, she's actually
Glory. I'm going to the doctor on Thursday, and Ethan's going to the doctor.
We're going to checkups. There's nothing that's screaming, but maintenance. Like you take your car in for a checkup every 6
No,
months.
but it's not that. It's also like with COVID and the lockdown. Like we should still not really be going out. But I mean, it's been a long time now, and you kind of
coming up on a
delayed that. Yeah, you kind of delayed that going for checkups, going for vaccines, going for whatever. And now I'm just like at a point where you know what, we actually need to go. Like
Ethan's a vaccine for his
2 years.
2 years. We never did because ons was bang geweest.
Yeah, but anyway, that's fine. We'll
So
be
that
sorting that out.
and I'm actually going to speak to a lady called the Health Hopper soon, which I'm setting up an interview with a lady called from Cape Town. She's a professional doctor, and because of the COVID situation where people can't get out of their houses, she travels. She's like an old school.
That's
She
cool.
goes from house to house. So check her out. It's the Health Hopper. She's on Instagram, and I'm gonna have an interview with her. She actually called me and said, "Listen, can I pay to be on your channel?" Then
Maybe
I said,
she should come and give me. Is she like a normal
she's
doctor?
a GP. She's a doctor.
Maybe she should come and give me a checkup.
She offered to give me a checkup, but I'm trying to give the checkup to the audience.
Come, I do it, and then I tell the audience how it is.
Cheap. So I'm dealing with that lady, and she actually offered to pay, which I
That's really
thought.
cool.
Then I said no, it's not necessary. I think it's like a good public service she's doing, because you can imagine, like people like my parents, man. My dad needs to go to checkups. My father had to skip his checkups, and they just refilled his prescription.
What about your mom?
My mother as well. She had a 6-month check, and she couldn't go, and and these are people with health problems, but they're nervous of going into hospitals, going into the surgeries, and so this lady is like an old school doctor. So I'm trying to set that up. I think that's going to be a very interesting conversation. I miss doing Alfred Fail Diet Friday, but I stopped doing Fail Diet Friday because it's just not the same on screen. Like I like to pick people up and buy them food.
You've never done that with me.
Fail Diet Friday.
Am I not like cool enough?
No, you hear every day. Everyone knows who you are. We dig into so we can do one. It's a 2-hour thing, an hour thing. I do it and I pick people up. So I'd love to get back to that, but that's all dependent on vaccine and all those things. Because a lot of my friends still travel and it's a bit dangerous. So I'm working on those sort of things. But I'm very much conscious. I have to plan. As much as most of these things are organic, I have to plan. Like Natalie is so busy now that I have to put this in her diary almost to do these videos where we just were doing it in the beginning. So people's lives have taken different shapes now, and they're still very busy at home, but they're busy. So I've had to
I do feel like I'm way more busier now than I was before. It's crazy how. Like I'm always finding things to do, and it's things that I have to do. It's just like, it's hectic.
It is. It becomes very busy when you're at home. Oh yes, I spoke to Panache Health Food. Remember Panache? And they were gonna give everyone a 10% discount that came to the live shows. And I managed to call. I called them and I said, I would love to, just make up, and I just called them to chat because we partner. Oh, they helped me. Well, not help me out, but they were sponsors to the show, and so they said, man, they are opening the 10% discount up for people. So I'm gonna actually do a video about that, and I'm still talking to people and all the brands that I'm involved with, and soon we're gonna be doing more, possibly doing more of those gigs with ABSA. So that's what I'm busy with. And in the meantime, I'm also trying to write new jokes for a one-man show that when it's ready, it's ready. I never say it's going to be in June. When it's ready, it's ready. So we'll do it like that.
Where's your jokes?
Oh, I got some jokes, baby.
Ek sien niks jokes. Niks jokes.
Ek sien nog net, but jy sien die jokes, maar ek sien jokes. Enough. Have a good day. Buddy. Make us chow these lunch. Maak het uit.